Hey everyone, this is Julie and Randy. I'm going to show you what Randy built. It's a 4x4 Sandbox, and they're the latest craze. And let me show you. Okay, Randy.
Okay, so it's basically a sandbox with a cover on it that turns into bench seats. It's a 2x6 boards on the sides.
Are you talking about here, the base?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then just measured out pine boards for the top and the bench. So let me show you what it does. It's got
Ooh, look
hinges
at
right
there.
here.
Look at
So
that.
this comes back, turns into a little bench, both sides.
That is awesome. So this will close and it'll make a lid, and that will keep out all the little cats and stuff, you know, so they don't use this as a litter box, because in the city and the country, I guess they do use the sand for a litter box, but this closes. Let's show them one more time. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we used a dark walnut stain. And then, so what size are these boards? These boards going across?
1x4.
1x4.
Yeah,
so did you cut them 4 feet?
No.
Since it's a 4x4?
The measurement is going to be different lengthwise. It's not quite 4 foot, because you have to take into account you're laying it on the top. So it's 4x4 on the inside.
Inside of this box.
Yeah,
Let me
inside the box.
So
it's going to be
the box from that side on the inside to this side is a 4x4.
So it's actually going to be a little bit more, because you've got the width of these boards to deal with.
Okay.
So not much more, but.
And then these handles is a what? A 2x4?
Yep, those are just 2x4s. Yeah.
And then you just grill the handles into that, and then just black hinges for the sides.
Hinges on that side for the bench part, the seat part, and then black hinges on this side for the back of the bench.
Okay. So about how much sand you think would go in here? I guess it depends on how full they want it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all sanded and stained, and these are little, I guess, little armrests.
Yeah.
They could use. Yeah, I think it looks cool.
Yeah.
So when you build it, you don't have, you put 3 boards across like this, but you don't put this one on yet,
No, actually,
right?
you put 2 boards. These 2 boards right here are stationary on both sides.
Oh, okay.
Then you put these 2.
So wait, back up. So we build the box.
Yeah.
That's the first thing.
Build the frame.
And then you put these.
Then you put these 2 boards on.
Okay.
Then you join these 2 boards with this 2x4.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then you come back and you put your spacer in and you put the hinges on.
How far is it spaced?
1/2 inch. A little more than 1/2 inch.
Okay.
And then the final step, you build these 2 boards attached to these 2 2x4s, because as you can see, they're only attached to these 2 boards.
Okay.
And that serves as the brace for the back.
Okay. So right now, it's all done. We're going to load it up in the truck. We're going to take it to a little boy that's waiting for it in Caddo Mills. So let's get loaded, right?
Let's
Okay.
load up.
Let's load up. Okay, so we delivered it, and it's here. So I guess the homeowners will move it. But there it is, right there. So, yeah, the homeowner's here, so we'll see what she thinks about it. But show her how it works and everything. But I just wanted y'all to see what Randy did. It looks really good. Is this where you want it? Okay.
Whenever, I have no idea. I didn't even know we ordered it. We talked about it.
Well, both of it, like this right here, you put sand down there, of course, and then this, that will be the the lid, and then both of them raises up for the little bench, so the little cats and stuff won't get in there.
That's,
So
we have so many.
yeah, there was a bunch of little poop over there, so we moved it over here.
Sorry, yes.
So it's gonna go next door.
Yes.
Okay.
My daughter lives next door. Her backyard